I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making buffalo chicken wraps. For this easy recipe, I will need chicken. I'm using chicken breast. You can also use chicken thigh. That's about a pound of chicken. I also have buffalo sauce, ranch dressing, shredded lettuce, and tortillas to make a wrap. So first I'm going to cut the chicken into very small pieces. So just slice it as small as you can. So now I sliced the chicken and I'm going to cook it. So I have my non-stick frying pan. Now I didn't mention oil in my ingredients, so it's up to you how little oil or how much you use it. You can also use non-stick cooking spray. So basically we just need to cook the chicken on a frying pan. I am going to add a little bit of olive oil and add the chicken to the frying pan. And now turn the heat on high. So when the chicken and oil starts sizzling, I'm going to mix it and turn the heat down and cook it until it's ready. So now the pan is fully heated, so I'm going to turn the heat down to medium-high, and I'm going to mix the chicken. And continue cooking and mixing every minute until the chicken is fully cooked. So now these chicken pieces have been cooking for about 8 minutes and they're ready. So just cook them until done. You can always cut one piece and make sure it's white and fully cooked in the middle. So once the chicken is done, just add, this is half a cup of buffalo sauce, and mix it. And once the chicken is fully coated with buffalo sauce and it's heated through, then this is done cooking. So I'm going to turn off the heat. And also taste it, see if it needs any more salt. Buffalo sauce already has salt in it, so I don't add any more salt, but if you'd like, you can always add more. So now this chicken is ready, and we're going to assemble buffalo chicken wraps. So now I brought over my cooked buffalo chicken here, and let's roll it into a tortilla and make a wrap. So here is a large flour tortilla. So I'm going to put some chicken in the middle. And I'm going to add some lettuce. And I'm going to put some ranch dressing on top of the lettuce. And now let's roll it into a wrap. Perfect. So here is our buffalo chicken wrap. And now let's cut it in half. Perfect. Look at this buffalo chicken wrap. So easy to make. Looks amazing. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So spicy, so tasty. It's full of flavor, so easy to make, so delicious, and it's healthy too. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!